Today, you will learn how to insert a page break in Word. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. Place your cursor where you want the new page to start. Go to the Layout tab. Click Breaks. Choose Page under Page Breaks. Instantly, the content after your cursor will move to the next page. Keyboard shortcut is the easiest method. Place your cursor where you want the new page. Press Ctrl plus Enter. That's it. A new page starts immediately. Sometimes page breaks are hard to see. Go to the Home tab. Click the Show Hide Pilcrow button in the Paragraph section. Now you will see dotted lines labeled Page Break. To delete a page break, turn on Show Hide. Select the page break line, then press the Delete key on your keyboard. The content will move back up. If your document has many page breaks, go to Home tab and click arrow next to Find and choose Advanced Find. Type $M, or go to More, then Special, and choose Manual Page Break. Press Enter. Word will highlight each page break one by one. Delete the ones you don't need. One important thing to note is the difference between page break and section break. A page break only moves content to the next page. A section break divides your document into sections so you can change headers and footers, page numbers, margins, orientation. Don't confuse the two. To remove section breaks, first go to the Review tab and turn off Track Changes if it's on. Then go to Home and click Show Hide Paragraph. Find the section break line, select it, and press Delete. Press Ctrl H to open Find and Replace. In Find What, choose Special, then Section Break. You'll see $B. Leave Replace With empty. Click Replace All. All section breaks will be removed instantly. To insert a section break, if you deleted by mistake, place the cursor where you want it. Then go to Layout, Breaks. Choose the type of section break you need. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tutorials.